I think I'm crazy. Yeah, I've been craving. If I've heard it quite plainly, just give me the maybe.
Hey butterflies, welcome back to my channel. It's Allegra Margella. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, what's up? So today we're going to be doing a Pinterest inspired tutorial. I saw this picture of Bella Hadid on Pinterest wearing this little button up top that was cropped, had a kind of corset vibe going on, and it was backless. So I thought this was really cute to do for the summer, and it's very quick, very beginner friendly. You could possibly do this with hemi tape and hand stitch the wraps on the back and the wrap together, whatever, find some ribbon, whatever, and just make it work. So there's many ways to do this, but this is just how I did it. So if you're interested in seeing how I did it, keep watching. So this is the button up that I got from Goodwill, and the first thing I'm going to do is measure where I want it to be cropped, and then I'm going to take my curved ruler and just kind of go from that point and just figure out how I want the outer edges to shape. And once I find that, I'm just going to do it on one side. To make sure that they're as symmetrical as possible, I folded it on its side and just cut upwards towards the side seams. I then cut off the excess front on both sides of the shirt, and I'm also going to just cut up the back all around the armholes and the top layer, stopping right at that interfaced area and just going all the way around. I decided to fold over twice and pin down, and that's going to be the seam for the back. You could also go ahead and do bias tape or hemming tape, whatever you please to get this look. But whatever you use, you're going to just either sew it down, or if you're using hemming tape, you'll be ironing just to get that back area nice and clean. And I also think a nice pop of color and bias tape would have looked cool as well. Taking the back piece, I'm going to just use the length of the shirt. I really can't tell. I think it's maybe about 21 to 22 inches long, but I'm going to just cut 2-inch wide strips using my ruler as like a guideline, and just cut those 2 strips nice and neat. Alright y'all, so taking these strips, yes, I'm popping open a fresh pack of pins because for some reason mine just always disappear. Like, I don't know where they go. But I'm just going to fold these right sides together. As you can see, I was looking at the hem to make sure I pinned the 2 right sides together. I'm just going to go ahead and pin those and do a straight stitch. We already know that's basic, but this tutorial is basic and easy, so I hope you're doing well. Obviously, as you can see, I'm pressing out this strip. I think pressing is a very important thing to do. It just makes everything look so crispy, so fresh and so clean. Like, make sure you press when you can, okay? I'm gonna pin these strips right above the side darts that are on the front of the shirt and do a straight stitch down. Now let's take a look at what we've made.
Heaven sent you to me. I'm just hoping I don't repeat history.
Now that was super duper easy, right? So quick, so easy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe because there's more to come. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, butterflies.
If I allow you to catch me, you gotta respect me, you gotta protect me. If I allow you to catch me.